I will first accept the cookie banner to clear the view. Then, I will start the game with a popular movie inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. This initial guess will provide the first set of feedback arrows and genre overlaps. Type card is green for inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released before 2010 with an IMDb rating lower than 8.8. No genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page, or director Nolan from inception overlap with the target. Constraints, movie, year 2010, rating 8.8, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Type card is green for inception, so target medium equals movie. Feedback shows the target is older than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. I will try Pulp Fiction 1994 to test a different era and genre crime/drama while staying within the movie category. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released before 1994 year 1994 red with down arrow and has an IMDb rating lower than 8.9 rating 8.9 red with down arrow. The genre drama is a match green pill but crime is not. No actors or directors from Pulp Fiction overlap. Constraints, movie, year 1994, rating 8.9, genre includes drama but not crime. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1994 and has a rating lower than 8.9. It is a drama but not crime. I will try The Godfather 1972 to test a highly rated older drama, even though it is often categorized as crime, to see if the rating or year gets closer. Type card is green for The Godfather movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1972 year 1972 red with down arrow and has a rating lower than 9.2 rating 9.2 red with down arrow. The genre drama is green match, but crime is gray. No actors or directors from The Godfather overlap. Constraints, movie, year 1972, rating 9.2, genre, drama yes, crime no. Type card is green for The Godfather, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1972 and has a rating lower than 9.2. It is a drama but not crime. I will try 12 Angry Men 1957, which is a classic drama with a high rating 8.9-9.0 range and fits the pre-1972 constraint. Type card is green for 12 Angry Men movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1957 year 1957 red with down arrow and has a rating lower than 9 rating 9 red with down arrow. The genre drama is green match, but crime is gray. No actors or directors from 12 Angry Men overlap. Constraints, movie, year 1957, rating 9, genre, drama yes, crime no. Type card is green for 12 Angry Men, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1957 and has a rating lower than 9.0. It is a drama but not crime. I will try Casablanca 1942, a legendary drama from the 40s with a high rating 8.5 that fits all current constraints. Type card is green for Casablanca movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1942 year 1942 red with up arrow and has a rating lower than 8.5 rating 8.5 red with down arrow. The genre drama is green match, but romance and war are gray. No actors or directors from Casablanca overlap. Constraints, movie, 1942 year 1957, rating 8.5, genre, drama yes, romance/war/crime no. Type card is green for Casablanca, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1943 but older than 1957 with a rating lower than 8.5. It is a drama but not romance, war, or crime. I will view the poster hint first to get a visual clue, then guess Sunset Boulevard 1950, which fits the year range and genre profile. Type card is green for Sunset Boulevard movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1950 year 1950 red with down arrow and has a rating lower than 8.4 rating 8.4 yellow with down arrow. The genre drama is green match, but film noir is gray. No actors or directors from Sunset Boulevard overlap. Constraints, movie, 1942 year 1950, 7.9 less or equal rating 8.4, genre, drama yes, film noir/romance/war/crime no. Type card is green for Sunset Boulevard, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1950 but newer than 1942, with a rating between 7.9 and 8.3. It is a drama but not film noir, romance, or war. I will try Bicycle Thieves 1948, which is a pure drama from that period with a high rating that fits the yellow arrow range. Type card is green for Sunset Boulevard, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1950 but newer than 1942, with a rating between 7.9 and 8.3. It is a drama but not film noir. I am reattempting Bicycle Thieves 1948 because the previous attempt failed to register and the search field currently contains the wrong title. Type card is green for Dungeons & Dragons Honor Among Thieves movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2023 year 2023 red with down arrow and has a rating higher than 7.2 rating 7.2 red with up arrow. None of the genres action, adventure, comedy, actors, or directors from this guess overlap. Constraints, movie, year 2023, rating 7.2, genre, drama from previous turns but not action/adventure/comedy/crime/film noir/romance/war. Type card is green for Dungeons & Dragons, so target medium equals movie. Previous feedback from Sunset Boulevard established the target is older than 1950 and newer than 1942, with a rating between 7.9 and 8.3. It is a drama but not film noir. My previous attempt at Bicycle Thieves 1948 was miselected as Dungeons and Dragons by the automation. I am now correctly selecting Bicycle Thieves. Type card is green for Dungeons and Dragons, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 1950 and newer than 1942, with a rating between 7.9 and 8.3. It is a drama but not action, adventure, or comedy. I am trying the Italian title Ladri di Biciclette Bicycle Thieves, 1948 to ensure the correct movie is selected from the drop-down this time. Type card is green for Bicycle Thieves movie. Target medium equals movie. The target year is 1949 year 1948 yellow with up arrow. The rating is 8.2 rating 8.3 yellow with down arrow. The genre drama is green match. No actors or directors from Bicycle Thieves overlap. Constraints, movie, year equals 1949, rating equals 8.2, genre, drama yes. Dest title, Bicycle Thieves. Type card is green for Ladri di Biciclette, so target medium equals movie. The year 1949 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 1949. The rating 8.2 is green, so the target has exactly an 8.2 MDB rating. I need a drama from before 1949 with an 8.2 rating. The heiress 1949 is often listed as 1949 but might be the one. Alternatively, I will look for other 8.2 dramas like Treasure of the Sierra Madre 1948 or Red River 1948. I will try the heiress first. Type card is green for Ladri di Biciclette, so target medium equals movie. The rating 8.2 is green exact match. The year 1949 is red with a down arrow, so the target is older than 1949. I am guessing the Treasure of the Sierra Madre 1948, which is a highly rated drama 8.2 from the correct year range. Type card is green for the Treasure of the Sierra Madre movie. Target medium equals movie. The year 1948 is red with a down arrow, target is older. The rating 8.2 is green exact match. The genre drama is green match, but adventure and western are gray. The synopsis describes a Southern belle and a roguish profiteer during the Civil War and Reconstruction, which is the plot of Gone with the Wind. Constraints, movie, year 1948, rating equals 8.2, genre, drama yes, plot, Civil War / Southern belle. Type card is green for the Treasure of the Sierra Madre, so target medium equals movie. The rating 8.2 is green exact match. The year 1948 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older. The synopsis available at Guess 9 describes a Southern belle and a roguish profiteer during the Civil War, which is the plot of Gone with the Wind 1939. I will guess that title now. I solved today's Cinedle by identifying Gone with the Wind in 10 guesses. The key clues were the exact 8.2 MDB rating and the detailed synopsis about a Southern belle during the Civil War that appeared on the final turn.